Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I have a very exciting kitchen upgrade that I'm doing today, and I wasn't even planning on making a video about this, but then I was like, why not? Let's show the people what I got, because I'm super happy about it, and I know that I will be talking about it a lot, so we might as well try it together for the first time. How does that sound? So, as you can see in the title, we are upgrading my coffee machine. This is the one that I have been using for a little bit. Wait, I'm gonna make a disaster. So this is the one that I've been using for a little bit. It does its job, it's a nice one, it's decent. But I decided to treat myself because it's almost my birthday, so I guess that it's going to be a birthday gift from me to me. Okay, so actually, in order to make space for this coffee machine, I at least temporarily moved the microwave from here because I think that it's gonna be quite big and I don't have space for it here, so I need a bigger kitchen. But let's check it out. Ooh la la! Wait. Okay, I can do it. There she is. So as you can see, this is from the brand DeLonghi. I got the Magnifica S. Hopefully it's gonna be as I like it. The main reason why I really wanted to change a coffee machine is because I wanted to, be able to customize the coffee a little bit more, and I also want to grind my own beans, and this one allows you to do just that, and it has like 12 different ways of doing that, so let's see. So the box is quite big and it's a little heavy as well. I don't think that it's gonna take all the space there, but we will find out now. Let me get scissors. Let's see, I'm so excited for it. ASMR moment. Oh la la, there's a lot of stuff. I might actually have to put it on the floor. It's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. Okay, so this is what we got here. Let me try to open it without making disasters. Easier said than done. Yeah, we make it slide. Ooh la la! Wait, there's a lot of stuff. What is this? Oh, nice! We have the descaler already included. That's gonna be a nice one. It's nice that they included it. Manuals and the spoon. Okay, let's not make disasters. Or should I say more disasters? Okay. Opa! Can you believe that I'm actually sweating? To be fair, it's very hot today, but wow. Alrighty, let's see the details. Ooh la la, it looks super fancy. Wow. Okay. So we got the tray that comes out. So I'm assuming that once this is going to be like a little tray where there's the trash from the beans. This is massive. Alrighty. So put it back. Voila! This is she in all its glory, and you see me in the reflection. It looks super fancy so far. Okay, I hope that this is supposed to come off. Ooh la la, it looks so professional. If there's one thing that I did learn in the last year and a half living alone, is that manuals actually have a purpose. And sometimes, if you read them, you're gonna save yourself a lot of headaches. So let's check it out. But honestly, it's pretty much ready, I think. I could probably start making the first coffee and stuff. Take proper care of your coffee machine, of course. This is the manual. Oh my gosh, why is it so big? Okay, so I see how to turn it on. Oh, there's something here on the side. I think that this is for the water because yes, there's the max thingy. Ooh. I'm so scared to touch it. I don't want to ruin it or something. Okay, so there's nothing to do if you just test it. So I'm just gonna do it, I guess. So I saw kind of in the manual what I'm supposed to do. Let me turn it on. Okay, oh, okay. Actually, there's a display. I didn't even realize that tells me that I need to put water. Of course. Now, actually, I live in Milan where technically you can use tap water, like you can drink it and use it for your coffee machine, but I would prefer not to because we have a lot of limestone, so I don't want it to get ruined. So of course, like every now and then I'm gonna use the product to, you know, decalcify and everything. Is that how you say it? Descale, sorry, to descale and everything, but I prefer preventing it, and that's why I'm just gonna use a bottled water. There's actually a lot of water that can go here. I like it because my other machine, you weren't able to put like half of a water, so like you would always run out of it. And here I think that like one full bottle might go. Yeah, this is like 1.5 liters. This is the max and this is what I'm at. So actually I don't see a turn on, turn off button, which is weird. Oh, I'm so stupid. This is the turn on, turn off button. And I feel a little silly to like, you know, follow exactly each step, but I really want to do things properly. So now it says that the next step would be to do these. To use the steam part. I wonder if it's like just to clean the machine inside with the first use. Yes. Probably to clean it, like rinse it with the first use, yeah. That's just like that same water. I turned it off. So I guess what the next step is just like start grinding the coffee beans. I'm so excited for this. Again, like I would love to start using the beans instead of like the normal type of coffee that I always get. I want to see like if there's going to be a difference. It's definitely cheaper. On the long run, you end up saving some money. So that's also a plus point. I got scared. I think that it's grinding the beans. I don't know what it's doing. Fudge. Was that supposed to happen? I think that it's cleaning.
A few moments later.
Okay, so let's see the very first coffee. Whoa, ooh la la. And it should stop automatically. Ooh la la, nice. Now, I don't know if this is just an Italian thing or what, but the very first coffee has to be thrown away. Like that's how we say it, because like the machine is not prepared yet. Again, I don't know if it's just like Italian or if you guys do it in other places. So yeah, let's just throw away the first one and I'm gonna make the second one. Let's see. So I hope that you can see it here. This one is way more dense. It's very black. The thing that kind of surprises me is that I did press on the short coffee, but this is still quite long. So I don't know what to think of that. Let's go with the coffee and let's see. I'm excited. And honestly, I really, of course, like I'm gonna use this machine for espressos because that's what I normally get on a daily basis. But I've also been exploring different types of coffee. Like in the mornings, lately I've been loving having cappuccinos or even some like cold type of drinks and stuff like that. So I'm excited to explore a little bit. I'm so happy that I got to treat myself with these. Let's see if the coffee is good now. Honestly, it might still take like another coffee to have like the perfect consistency and everything. But let's try. Fingers crossed that I like it. It's good. It's good. Yay! So yeah, guys, let me know what coffee machine you have, what you think about this one. If you're curious about how much I paid it, I actually got it on discount. And I actually found this super cool promo where it was basically, the original price was around 500 or something. I got to pay this 279. Plus, if you like do the registration on the DeLonghi website, it should give you 1 year of coffee. But like not 1 year, like they send it to you every now and then. They send you like a couple of kilograms of coffee beans. And I'm like, yeah, let's do that. So I did do the registration. Fingers crossed that everything goes smoothly and I will actually get that coffee. But yeah, let me know what coffee machine you guys have, how you like drinking your coffee and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye!